Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to track membership rewards, points, expiry and manage rewards. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to track membership rewards, points and expiry and manage rewards, first what you need to do is have American Express app installed on your phone or computer with internet, then login details for your Amex account. The next is to check your point balance by simply heading over and opening up the Amex application and log into your account. Then once you're inside, simply select the card that you want, and under the total balance and balance due, you'll find the membership rewards. Simply tap on that. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is click on membership rewards or rewards. Then your current points balance will be displayed at the top and you can see how many points you have and their value in dollars. The next is to check points expiry. Most Amex membership rewards points do not expire as long as your account is open. Points may expire if your account is closed and when you don't meet a minimum activity. And to be safe, check your points activity in the app by simply tapping on the activity and on the membership rewards and look for expiration notices. Amex user emails you if points are about to expire, and you can manage your points in many ways like shopping online or selecting the travel option, and you can also transfer the points as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.